Do not be a victim of wire fraud. Let me tell you a story. While we know that closing attorneys and mortgage companies have very secure measures in place to avoid these sorts of things from happening, what we also know is that scammers have become very sophisticated and very convincing. One of my buyers recently received an email that looked exactly like the emails coming from the closing attorney's office. She even pushed back and questioned the email, but in the end, she clicked on the link, approved a wire fraud from her bank, and off went her $300,000 that fast. Always verify emails, text, any communication requesting your funding that comes from a lender, a closing attorney, prior to sending any funds. The good news is that if after 24 really long hours and a sleepless night, this buyer was fortunate enough to get her funds back, please be cautious. You do not want to be the next victim of wire fraud.